Hi there, Sandra here from createinspain and Siser Juliet Beginners to Pro. I'm doing a simple, clean and simple card today for Christmas. The sort of thing you can knock out pretty quickly if you've just run out of cards. So I have here one of the pieces. I will link the file down below. This is a piece which I have printed off as grey and cut out, but I only printed off grey to remind me to actually colour it. Now I've got some metallic pens here and I'm going to go for the silver one. So these happen to be dual ended, so you've got a brush on one side and more of a traditional one on the other, and I like the look of the brush one. So I wanted to have this frame in silver, but I don't happen to have any silver card. One silver frame. Unusually for me, I'm actually doing a card which is based on a 21 centimetre square. I cut this A4 down to 21 centimetres in length because it's already 21 wide. So I've got another piece here. This card is relatively thin, and so I want to glue a couple of pieces together just to get a little bit of stability to it and bulk. And stick one on top of the other, and be careful to get them well lined up, and be careful because these have got a print on them not to put wet fingers over the top. And then I have this piece which is going to go behind that. This goes face down onto here, don't put it on the other way around. So we have our centerpiece for the card. Now if you wanted to, you could also use some glitter pen on this. I'm not doing that, but you could. I've stuck my border onto the other piece, turned it upside down, put it underneath my silicone mat here. The reason for that is it tends to stick to the silicone mat, and then I've just got a heavy object over the top. This is going to keep it nice and flat as it dries. I've completed my rim with the silver pen, and I'm going to get the same pen, brush side, and do little dots. One tip for you, when you've got a card that's folded and you're trying to put a front panel on, it's sometimes not very easy to put it on because the card is a bit springy. Put one part of it underneath your mat and line it up with the centre fold, and that will enable you to get things lined up a bit more easily. I don't want any moisture from any glue on here making that run, so it'll be a lot easier with double-sided tape. I will manage to negate that particular risk. Fold it back in half again and we have our card. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon.